All right, so there's one more section and then we'll put everything together, the whole combo. So this one we just did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You're just gonna jump your feet out on one. And at the same time, we're gonna do this little punch move. So it's kind of like it's a little contraction through here. It's almost like someone's punching you in the stomach. Ooh, punch, punch. But as they punch, as your stomach contracts, you're gonna punch that opposite arm forward. So here, 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 here. Just try that motion. Pop, 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 pop. So we jump out and that first contraction comes on 1. We punch that right arm on 1. So it looks like this. 5, 6, 7, we jump. 1, 2, 3, 4. There's like a little and. You come back up. You're going to hinge at your hips. Stick that booty back. And you're going to go around 6, 7, up 8. So I'm bending to the left corner, hinging at my hips. Bend your knees a little if you need to. And it's flat back, 6, 7, up 8. I'm going to add a little shimmy. So I'm going to go 5, 6, 7, 8. That adds on to these 4 pumps. Ready? 5, 6, 7, we pump. 1, 2, 3, then we shimmy. 5, 6, 7, 8. From here, we're just going to do a little hip hop side to side. So we're going to do just the hips. Single, single, then double. Single, single, then double. So it's hip to the right, to the left, to the right, to the right, to the left, to the right, to the left, to the left. Arms, you're just going to take whichever hip is pushing out to the side. You're going to have a hand on it. The opposite hand's going to kind of be up here on your head. So it's going to be right, left, right, right, left, right, left, left. Sometimes I look with it. Look, look. Sometimes I don't. It's whatever you want to do with your head. But the hip is definitely going right, left, right, right, left, right, left, right. Left, right, left, left. Here we go. 5, 6, hips to the right. It's single, single, then double, and single, single, then double. Yeah, if you bend your knees, that helps with that move. Again, 5, 6, single, single, double. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, you just did 7, 8 to the left. You're kind of going to have to take your weight over to that left foot because now we're going to move forward with our right foot. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, and as we step on 4, we're going to turn, just touch that left foot, but then turn our body to the opposite corner. And then we go forward 5, 6, 7, 8. No turn on that one. So again, we were here 7, 8. We go forward. Right, left, right, touch, left, right, left, together. Touch. Touch that right foot, but we just don't turn it. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, we move forward. 1, 2, 3, touch. 5, 6, 7, touch. If you want to do arms, we're just going to kind of be out here to the side, and we're going to roll our wrist. And you can even do a little kind of hip circle with it if you want to. It's going to look like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, you can snap if you want to. Whatever. It's nice and sassy. Here we go. We were here on 7, 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go 1, 2, 3, switch 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Last 8 count. We just did 5, 6, 7. Touch that right foot on 8. You're going to step open on 1, 2. And as you do, you're going to do like a little snake movement with your head. So your head's going to go to the right. And then as you come around, you're going to bring your left shoulder and sit. Watch it again. So you're going, you just touched on this foot. You're doing a snake with your head. You're going to go snake and shoulder roll. Again, 5, 6, the count are 1, 2, 3, 4. You sit back on 4. Again, 5, 6, 7, that snake goes 1, 2, 3, 4. From here, you're just gonna do step, touch, step, touch. Again, so that my first step touch, I'm kind of going to the corner, and then I'm gonna square my shoulders off to the front for the second step touch. It's just right, left, left, right. Again, so we did 5, 6, 7, 8. We do that little snake move to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4 step. 5, 6 step, 7, 8. If you want to on the 5, 6, 7, 8, I'm just going to take my shoulders and I'm going to go right, left, right, right, left, right. So the shoulders don't stop. They're going to go right, left, right, right, left, right. They're just always going down. 5, 6, 7, 8. So your feet, putting it together with the feet, it's 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Again, 1, 2, 3, shoulders. 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Put it together with that snake step. 5, 6, 7, 8. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. All right, let's try that third section. So we're going to start with that jump out and then pump those arms forward. Ready? 5, 6, 7, we jump on 1, 2, 3, shimmy around. 5, 6, 7, single, single, double. 1, 2, 3, 4 to the left. 6, step, right foot forward. Step, together, step, touch, step, together. Stake it over. 1, 2, 3, 4. We go step, touch, step, touch. That's the full combo, y'all. So we're gonna go back nice and slow from the very beginning. We're gonna put it all together with the counts. Ready? Really super slow. Right foot starts at 5, 6, 7, step forward. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Flick, 5, step, 6, back. 7 and 8, rock forward. 1, 2, 3, step, pivot, turn. 5, 6, 7, salsa right. We go 1 and 2, 3 and 4, arms down. Slow ball change forward. 1, 2, shimmy. 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, right elbow, right, left, right arm back, back, hip circles around. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, arms come down, 7, 8. We go right, left, right, left, right. Then we go left, right. Do it again. Right, left, again. 5, 6, rock it to the corner. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, shimmy, 7 and 8. Arms up, pivot, turn. 5, 6, hips to the right. Go right, left, right. Take it up. 5, 6, V step goes. 1, 2, cross, 3, 4. One more time. Now we jump, pump those arms. 1, 2, 3, shimmy around. 5, 6, single, single, double. Go right, left, double it up, left. Right, right foot goes forward. 1, 2, 3, turn. 4, 5, 6, 7, snake it out. 1, 2, 3, 4, right, left, touch. All right, that was fun. We're gonna try it one more time. We're gonna go a little bit faster. So when you turn on the music for this combo, it's quite fast. But we want to learn it really slow and broken down so that you can learn this muscle memory and really get the moves into your body. And then you can start taking it up to tempo. So I encourage you to watch this as many times as you need to, break down the steps as many times as you need to, and then work up to going faster and faster. One more time, a little faster. From the top, ready? Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8, go 1, 2, 3, and flip. 5, 6, 7, forward back. 1, 2, 3, pivot, turn. 5, 6, salsa to your right. 1 and 2, 3, arms down. 5 and 6, slow ball change forward. 1, 2, cha 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 with the shimmy. Elbow right side. 1, 2, right arm back. 5, 6, hip circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, arms come down. We travel right, left, right, left, right, left, right, do it again, right, left, one more time, rock it to the corner, 1, 2, 3, and 4, shimmy, one more time, arms up, pivot turn, 5, 6, 7, hips to the right, taking it down, then up, 6, V-step, out, out, one more time, jump out, pump those arms, 1, 2, shimmy around, 5, 6, single, single, double, 1, 2, 3, 4, right arm goes forward, 1,